The author would most probably agree with which of the recommendations regarding the implementation techniques in the fourth paragraph. It is the fourth paragraph that talks about implementation techniques so that the strategy of paying for performance can be successfully applied. So let's look at the answer choices in this context. Answer choice A, the fourth paragraph mentions that these techniques will successfully apply the strategy. So it is incorrect to state that when the strategy is implemented with these techniques, it will inhibit performance. The strategy, when implemented with these techniques, will not inhibit the performance, it will improve the performance. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, the fourth paragraph talks about successful implementation of the strategy with the help of these techniques. So it is incorrect to state that the strategy will not likely motivate employees to work better, even after the strategy is implemented with these techniques. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, the passage mentions that the strategy can be successfully implemented with the help of these techniques. So it is correct to state that the strategy is likely to motivate employees when it is implemented with these techniques. However, this answer choice relates to strategy when it is not implemented with the help of these techniques. So this answer choice cannot be established. So let's eliminate it. Answer choice D, the passage mentions that the strategy can be successfully implemented with the help of these techniques. That is what this answer choice implies. It says that the strategy, when implemented with these techniques, is likely to motivate employees to work better. So this answer choice is in sync with the fourth paragraph. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice E, the passage mentions that for the successful implementation of this strategy, certain techniques are necessary. So it is incorrect to state that the strategy, regardless of whether implemented with these techniques, is likely to motivate employees. The passage suggests that these techniques are necessary, whereas this answer choice says that the strategy will be successful regardless of these techniques. So this answer choice can be eliminated. D is the correct answer.